Hey all, Joe here. I know for a fact if you're working on a restoration or metal fabrication more specifically, you will be cutting metal. I'm here to offer my top 3 go-to metal cutting tools that you should always keep within an arm's reach. Let's talk about it. Now, when it comes to cutting metal, 3 tools come to mind, each serving a different purpose depending on the situation. I'm talking our elite panel cutting saw, electric shears, and an angle grinder with a cut-off blade. Out the gate, if you're making a cut that requires the most precision and accuracy possible, I'm choosing the panel cutting saw. This unit runs at 4 CFM at 90 PSI and is perfect for straight, plunge, and scroll cuts. It has 2 etched sight lines for making accurate cuts inside or outside of your scribed line. The handle can also rotate, which is perfect for getting into those tight spots. Not to mention, the unit also has a depth guide, so you can make cuts on layered metal, only cutting away the top layer. Think removing floor pans over structure in the bottom of a car. Again, when I need precision, accuracy, and minimal material waste, I'm grabbing the elite panel cutting saw, no question. Next, we have our electric shears. I consider these to be fast, pretty accurate, but with some drawbacks. First, you will have material loss. The shearing action of the blades will remove a curl of material about 3/16 of an inch wide. These really shine in quickly cutting sheet metal, however, you will be limited to 18 gauge steel. Another thing to consider is these don't handle curved panels or body lines very well, as opposed to the panel saw, which can easily plunge into or over those body lines. All said, for a reliable tool, you can plug this into almost any outlet in the garage, replace the blades when needed, and quickly cut down sheet metal for your project, so they'll always have a place in my shop. Lastly, as I like to call it Old Faithful, is the angle grinder with the cut-off blade attached. This is the down and dirty, I need this piece chopped and cut and out of the way as soon as possible. Yes, the other options I mentioned are great tools, but when you're tearing into a vehicle, cutting off appendages without a care in the world for accuracy, these get the job done. There's no wear required, and these have been a staple in DIY garages for decades. Our angle grinder sports a 6 amp, 720 watt electric motor and fits a variety of 4.5 inch wheels on a standard 5/8/11 spindle with a 7/8 adapter. Here's a pro tip. I keep 2 angle grinders around the shop, one with the cutoff wheel and the other with a flap disc. You really can't go wrong with this combo. Well, there you have it, 3 smart choices for go-to cutting tools to keep around the shop. For precision and accuracy, you need the elite panel cutting saw. For mostly cutting sheet metal quickly, the electric shears hold their own. Lastly, for down and dirty cuts, an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel is what you need. You can find more info and detailed specs on all these products at Eastwood.com. Also, if you like what you see, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Leave a comment with your preferred tools for cutting metal. We love hearing your feedback, and it really helps the channel grow. For now, keep up the good work and keep it here for all things Eastwood.